Why is my Cash App card being declined? You've just swiped your Cash App card, expecting a smooth transaction, only to hear the dreaded decline sound. Frustrating, right? You're not alone. Countless people face this issue, and it can be baffling. So, let's dive in and uncover the potential culprits behind this card conundrum. First things first, let's rule out the obvious. Do you have enough money on your Cash App balance? It sounds simple, but trust me, it's a common oversight. Check your balance, and if you're good there, let's move on. Next, consider the card status. Is it activated? Has it expired? Sometimes, we forget these little details. Ensure your card is active and valid. If it's a new card, you might need to activate it within the Cash App app. Now, let's talk about potential roadblocks. Your card might be experiencing some technical difficulties. A glitch in the Cash App system or a temporary issue with the card reader could be the culprit. In such cases, trying the transaction again in a few minutes often resolves the problem. Security is a top priority for Cash App, and sometimes it might be a bit too cautious. If the system detects unusual activity or potential fraud, it might temporarily block your card. You might receive a notification about this. If you recognize the transaction, you can usually confirm it and unblock your card. Another possibility is that the merchant you're trying to pay has issues processing Cash App cards. Some merchants might have limitations or technical problems that prevent them from accepting your card. If this happens frequently, you might want to explore other payment options. Let's talk about your bank. Surprisingly, your bank settings can interfere with Cash App transactions. If your bank flags Cash App as a suspicious or unauthorized transaction, it might decline the payment. Contact your bank to clarify any issues and ensure smooth transactions. Your card's spending limits could also be the villain. Cash App imposes spending limits to protect you from unauthorized transactions. If you've hit your daily or weekly limit, your card will be declined until the limit resets. Check your Cash App settings to find your spending limits. Lastly, let's address a less common but possible issue, your PIN. If you're using your Cash App card for in-store purchases, ensure you're entering the correct PIN. Incorrect PIN attempts can lead to temporary card blocks. If you've tried all these solutions and your card is still being declined, it's time to contact Cash App support. They have the tools and information to investigate the issue and provide specific guidance. Remember, troubleshooting card declines can be frustrating, but with patience and persistence, you'll eventually find the solution. By systematically checking the potential causes we've discussed, you'll be well on your way to resolving the issue. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.